Did I scare you? Too much punk rock for you? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this very cool punk rock kind of look, I guess you could say. I actually attempted to do something else completely different. I did give credit to whoever created it first, but turns out I don't have the skills that she did, or the lips that she has, so it didn't really work out too well. I'm gonna put like a little clip of it. I'm not gonna add too much details on it. But then I ended up changing my mind and ended up doing this look right here for like a Halloween punk rock kind of look. If you guys want to see how I got this, first subscribe to my channel right there somewhere, and then hit the notification bell so you can see what I come up with. I drop 2 videos a week. And before I let you guys go, I'm gonna leave you guys with a little message. I recently decided to do a 30-day challenge of thinking positive, or kind of changing my perspective on life, because I've been negative lately the past couple of months, and it has a bad effect. Obviously, when does ever negativity have a good effect on you? But my message today is to love yourself for who you are. I recently discovered how to be comfortable in my own skin. I was judged a lot by family members, society. It's always, the same thing. Being, I guess, a little overweight, or not being in shape as much as I wanted to. I am working on myself to get better, or even get in better shape. But it doesn't matter how much I diet and whatnot, if I never felt comfortable in my skin, I never felt anything that I would do to change it made me feel better. So I just learned to love myself and learned how to be more comfortable in my own skin. And with that came more of a different perspective of how I think, to be able to become healthier and not worry about what everybody else is talking about and tone them out. So it's all about you, it's all about yourself. Think what you love about yourself, and move on with life. Forget everybody else, don't worry about it. So with that being said, enjoy the rest of the video. Okay guys, so today we're not doing your traditional Halloween stuff. To be honest with you guys, I really don't know how to do much Halloween characters. I have tried it on Irino's channel. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put a link somewhere in the description box and later at the end of the video. I haven't gotten to that expert level yet, so I'm gonna try something a little more simpler, but something that's actually really cool that I haven't even seen around. I am copying it from someone on Instagram. Her name is Lester. She actually did this thing right here. I thought it was super cool, so I'm gonna test it out and see how good I could get to that, or if I could get to that point. I bought a couple of things from NYX, a couple of different colors, like the blues, greens, and all that stuff. Hopefully it would work. And I got a white base to make sure the colors pop out a little bit more. And then I got a black lipstick from LA Girl. So I'm gonna start with that as a base. And then I'm gonna add these colors right here as I'm gonna line them up and see how good I can get those things. So that's gonna be more of my Halloween kind of textures, so more of like a dramatic lip, since I do a lot of the focus on the eyes. And then I might be adding some black eyeshadow just to complete the look, to bring it all together. So with that being said, let's get started. So we have like a combination of like purples, blues, the greens, stuff like that. I'm gonna try to work with the best colors that I possibly can, so I'm gonna line them up first and then we'll go from there. The first thing I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna take a eyeliner, this is from Ciati, and I'm gonna line up my lips where the boxes are gonna go, and then I'm gonna add the black lipstick around those perimeters. Her lips look freaking perfect. I don't know if I'm that good, but let's give it a try. So she kind of did like a little squiggle here. My lips are not as big as hers, so I'm gonna try to make it to work with my lips. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit all those colors that she did, because her lips seem more plump than mine. As you guys can see, there's like a bunch of, I don't know how many colors are in there. And they're very, very tiny. So just to make sure I kind of do it the same way she did, I'm gonna make little smaller boxes around here. Next, I'm gonna take the white base right here, and then I think I'm just gonna use my finger to do that. I know it's a mess, but I'm gonna fix it in just a minute. It's very precise work, obviously. Let's add the black lipstick, and then I'm gonna add the other colors. This is from LA Girl. Well, it's a black color, obviously, but let me see if they have a name for it. It's Raven. This is gonna be a little bit of a mess until it looks good. but I will try my best, I promise, to make sure it looks fine. And if not, at least I learned. You never know till you try, right? I know it looks like a hot mess right now, but let me try to kind of make boxes, and then I'm gonna do different colors. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do all the colors that she did, but I'm gonna try to do at least 4 or 5 of them. Actually, let me add some powder so make sure it stays in place. Should probably be a good idea. Because every time I move my lips, I feel like their colors are moving around. So I'm gonna add some Airspun loose powder. So use the same sponge that comes with it. Okay, so they're not moving, which is good. So I'll go over the black again a little later, but let me try to get those colors in first. This lip is harder, or this lip tutorial is actually harder than it looks. I thought it was gonna be easy from that picture, but her lips are way bigger than mine, so it's not what I expected. Uncomparable, right? But it's okay. Okay, let's line them up with some liner. I guess this is my version of Halloween makeup. I'm kind of sucking at it right now. Okay, so I made little bitty boxes, as you can see right here. So I'm gonna try to add some of these powder colors right here with a very, very tiny brush. Try to use these 2 brushes. I think I'm gonna try to use the angled one more, just because it's much thinner and it'll fit the little areas or the little boxes that I got going on here. So I got almost 12 colors to work with. So let's try with the blue. Okay, we got blue. I think I'm gonna do green next. I don't think this look is working out, guys. It doesn't really look good. Not as I hoped it would be. So I think I'm gonna attempt to do something else. Sorry, I was trying to, but geez, she got that thing perfected. Okay, so I think I'm gonna wipe this off and just do like, I have never attempted to do a gradient, so I'm gonna try to do that with some shimmers. Okay, that was bad. So as you guys can see, I have black all around the perimeters. Let me get some foundation to cover that up, and then we're gonna attempt to do a gradient lip. Okay guys, sorry that was an epic fail. I don't know if I'm gonna be combining those 2 videos together, but I'm gonna try to do a gradient now at this point. I am gonna still using the black lipstick, but with the gradient, this is actually my first time doing anything gradient. So I wanna see how it turns out with that too, as I have some shimmers and stuff I wanna work with. I already foundationed my lip just so I can make sure it sets in place where I want it to go. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do from like pink to a dark purple to the black. And then the shimmers, I think I'll use this white one right here. Oops, from NYX. Okay, let's do this again. So I got this really shiny pink, like fuchsia color. It's from ColourPop. It's called Unravel. So I'm gonna use that at the top of my lips right here. Next, I'm gonna add this one in the middle. Okay, next, the black. Okay, I know it looks a little weird right now, but I'm gonna blend those colors in with my finger. And then I'm gonna blend the fuchsia color with the dark purple. Okay, so since we attempted to do this gradient, I am probably going to be fixing it a little later just so I can make sure it's lined up and have the colors pop a little bit more. But this is part of the reason why I left my eyes kind of blank, so I can mimic whatever's going on my lip, either if that black one worked, but since it didn't, I'm going to mimic these gradient colors on my eyelids. So let's go ahead and get started with that one. I do have all the colors that I'm working with this, obviously, so I am going to be working with the NYX one. This one I just got, and then the Tarte has the fuchsia color that we want for like the transition. I'll be adding the glitters a little later. So let's go ahead and pop into, it's called Mode from the Tarte Pro palette. I think I just want a little bit more pink. So I'm gonna pop into the NYX palette. It's called the Ultimate Shadow Palette. So I'm gonna mix these 2 colors right here. Have you tried to attempt things in the past and it didn't work out as you thought it would? The good thing is that you learn. So hopefully the next time I attempt it, I'll practice a little bit more so that way I can make sure I get it the way she did. Okay, so now that we have like the fuchsia pinks going on, I'm gonna add some more darker purples. And I'm gonna use Broma and then This one doesn't have a name, so it's just from the NYX palette, this one right here. So I'm gonna combine those two colors together. I'm gonna add that red under that pink. Okay, so let me try to get a clean blending brush just to blend those two colors together. So next, I'm gonna add some black on the lid. I'm probably gonna be adding some eyeliner for this because I feel like it looks too much like punk colors. But I'm gonna pop into Punk right here. This is from the Tarte Pro palette. I'm gonna tap that on into the lid. Oops. I got an eye booger. Ew. I feel like it's gonna be like a punk rock kind of look. So there you go, there's my Halloween look, punk rock. You like my jokes? Too cheesy? It's okay. You'll enjoy it later on. Get my clean blending brush and just kind of blend those all together. Okay, so let's add some color onto the lower lash line. Taper brush, something like that. I think I'm gonna combine these two colors right here for the under eye. Or the lower lash line, I'm sorry. Okay, so shadows are kind of done. I'm gonna add some highlighters and stuff. I am debating now if I want to add just some shimmer from the eyeshadows on the lid and the lips, or if I should add some glitter. What do you think? I think shimmer. I think I'm gonna add some shimmer from the palette right here. I'm gonna add some highlighters first, like in the inner corners and the brow bone, and then I'm gonna fix my brows a little later. Let's do that. My little brush right here for the inner corners. I'm gonna go with Glam right here, because it's really punk rock, so it's not bad. It's actually turned out pretty cool. Add some nude liner on the waterline. Okay, so I'm gonna add some mascara on the lower lash line. I already have some on my top lashes. Fix my eyebrows, put some lashes on, and we'll be back to finish off the rest, okay? Okay. So I got some lashes on. I fixed my eyebrows a little bit. As you guys could see, I got them a little thicker. They were just way too thin for me. I am debating on if I should add just some shimmers to the lips or the eyes. So I'm gonna, what I've decided to do is I'm gonna start on the lips first and then see how it looks, and then if we need some, we'll add some on the lid a little bit. I know I added on the lashes already, but I'm just gonna like tap it in, so it's not gonna be something too insane. So for the shimmers, I'm gonna go for this one right here. So I think I'm gonna combine these two colors right here for like the bottom. And then I'm not gonna go all the way up. I'm probably gonna stop like right in the middle right here. I'm actually probably gonna use my finger. Okay, so I'm gonna add some of that pink just right in the middle. I should go all the way up, huh? Okay, so let's do that, but let me clean off my fingers a little bit. So then I'm gonna use the lightest one right here, Glam, for the top. What do you think? You like it? A little different than what we first started with, huh? At least this one looks a little more. Okay, so do you think I need some glitter on the, or some shimmers on the lid? Probably do, huh? I'll just use these two colors right here and just like tap them into the lid. Ooh, I just thought of adding the blue that I added here. Let me try that. Add on top of those shimmers. Yep, it looks good. I love playing with different kinds of colors and shimmers to see what comes up with. Because sometimes you start with something, end up something with completely different. But that's the magic of makeup, right? You can do whatever you want. All right, I added some shimmers, so I think we're doing good. I think that completes the look, guys. I know I attempted to try something in the beginning, but it turned out to be something else. But I'm actually very happy with how this turned out. Hope you liked it too. If you like the stuff that I would do, I have all my videos. They're going to be here, or if you click on my page, somewhere there, you'll be able to see all my videos that I have available to watch. I do a lot of videos that are from very simple to super glam. I have a series going on right now for the NFL Sunday teams. I'm doing a team every single Sunday, so if you guys want to check those out, feel free to look at my page and subscribe and hit that notification bell and share, subscribe, like, comment, do, you know, all that stuff. I'm gonna make a rap song out of this. I can't rap, but I'm gonna try. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.